Is there a way I can understand networking better? There's a few different tools that you can use to understand networking better. One of them is called, let me see if I can get back connected to, I think it just disconnected me from TikTok again. Okay, there we go. So there's a few tools you can use for learning networking. One is called GNS3. This is one of the ones I used when I was learning it. GNS3 is a virtual network. Let me see, GNS3 is it's a software that simulates a network. Wow, they've upgraded. Wow, it's now in the cloud. That makes sense. Let me show you guys my screen here. Yeah, so GNS3, it's a simulator and network simulate like never before with GNS3 hosted service. All right, so they used to be able to just download this directly to your computer, and it was free, and now it looks like it's paid. But hey, I mean, got to pay to play these days. So that's one of the things you can do. Let me see if they still have the free. It doesn't look like they have the free one anymore. Let me see. There's a cloud version of it. Okay, here it is. It's still free. There we go. So this right here is a network simulator. This is one of the most fun tools I used. But there's other things you can do too. As far as resources to learning, YouTube for free. That's one place you can go to. Another one is Cisco. Cisco has some really good training resources on there that you can get on for free. The Cisco U training boot camps, events. But yeah, here's some stuff. I believe this one is free, if I'm not mistaken. Cisco is the most popular internet working company in the US. I don't know that it's everywhere, but yeah, so networking, this is one place you can learn. I think that you can also go to Juniper, which is another huge company that does networking in the US, and they have some free resources for you as well. Here's another one. I just went to their sales page. Let me see if I can bypass that. There we go. Yeah, here we go. Here's some learning that you can do. They have jobs too, job openings. So look at that. Interesting.